Hi friends, welcome to Home Gardening and More. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll be receiving more such videos with useful information on gardening. Radishes are one of the most liked vegetables because of its crunchy texture and spicy flavor. Radishes are one of the easiest vegetables to grow also. Although they are very easy to grow, there are some common problems that we encounter while growing radishes. In this section, we will see about growing radishes right from the seeds and the various tips to grow radish like a gardening pro. In addition, we will also see about the companion plants that can be grown along with radish at our home garden. First thing that we will see in this video is how to start radish plants from seeds. The first point that we are going to see is about the soil. Soil for growing radishes must be loose, and adding compost, dried leaves and grass will improve the soil fertility, as we know. Soil must also be consistently moist for good growth of the roots. Drought or dry conditions will make the growth of radish tough due to soil crusting and will also alter the flavor of radish. The second point that we have to remember is the spacing of the seeds. The seeds must be spaced ½ inch deep and 1 inch apart. Optimal growth of radish requires full sun and light shade is tolerable at times. Radish matures quickly and will be ready to harvest within 4 to 5 weeks. Now let's see few tips for better growth of radish. First tip is that practice succession planting by sowing radish seeds every 7 to 10 days for continual harvest. The second one, when the soil becomes crusty, break it and loosen it by adding some water. Third one, several radish varieties can be planted together for enhanced growth of radishes. The fourth tip is that to know how mature the roots have become, we need to look for the bulge tops that push themselves out of the soil as they near maturity. For radishes with their best taste and flavor, harvest them immediately after they mature because the longer they stay in the ground, the hotter they become. Moving on to the next segment, which is fertilizing radishes. Before you plant the seeds, fertilize the top 2 to 4 inches of the soil with all-purpose fertilizer and sow the seeds ½ an inch deeper. If you would like to avoid commercial fertilizer, add some compost on the top layer. The initial fertilizer application is enough for the growth of radishes, but if you would like to enhance the growth, you can go for an addition of nitrogen-rich fertilizer in the quantity of ¼ cup for every 10 foot. If you are one who loves to consume radish foliage also, then this fertilizing option is for you. Now the most important point is companion planting for radish. The first factor to consider for companion planting is the time of maturity of the plants. Radish is a rapidly maturing plant, and so we can consider co-planting radish with other plants that take up a slower maturity time. For instance, peas, leaf lettuces, tomatoes and peppers are plants that take more time to mature and so can be grown along with radish. The second factor is the co-planting of plants that can benefit from radish. Radishes will greatly help to repel cucumber beetles, and hence planting cucumber along with radish will increase the yield of both the plants. The third factor is planting of plants that can help radish plants. Strong smelling herbs such as nasturtium and plants such as onions are excellent companions for radish plants. Some plants that should not be or never be planted along with radish are broccoli and hyssop. The last tip is that radishes can also be planted together with flowers and herbs along the borders of the garden or gardening beds, as the rich foliage gives an attractive look along with the flowers.